Alright, welcome to our prototype for our video game. We don't have any time at all here, so I'm going to very quickly go over our features. Now keep in mind that the art that you're going to see in this video is strictly placeholder art and it's not going to be in the final project. So let's take a look at our main menu here. We have three options. One of them is a sub-menu. We have a play and a quit button. If we click play, we're going to jump into the game world here. You're going to see that we're in a 2.5 dimensional environment, which means that we have a 3D background and a 2D foreground where the player can actually interact. Our player can jump, they can walk, we can crouch, and we can move around. So we have a couple UI elements programmed. One of them is a simple score element, and another is a secondary camera, which is going to show you a mini map. We have the main camera, which is tracking the player's location and smoothly clamping towards it to give you smooth gameplay. First of all, we're going to interact here with our first artificial intelligence. The AI for this character is simply just set to track the player around the map. It doesn't attack yet, it still needs to be implemented, but you're going to see it's going to follow my character. We have a number of platforms here with these objects floating around, so when I collide with one of these objects, it's going to play a sound and it's going to increment the score. These are again just placeholder things. In the future they're going to have real features implemented, not just a simple score. Of course we can run around here and jump through the environment. The level is not a complete level or anything. This is just a demo space to show you exactly what we have implemented. So I'm going to quickly show you inside the editor here. This is our big 3D environment. Here we have our player down here. We have the camera, some other elements. There's not enough time to go through them all. Each one of these objects has a number of classes associated with them. And there's just like any other program, and so if we take a look at some of the scripts that we've created that interact with those other classes, for instance, this is the main menu script, which is going to load that main menu that you saw. Here's for pause, and it's just not enough time to go over everything, but all the scripts are done in C#, and they're applied to the objects in the game world. And so very quickly I'm going to go over a state machine for our player. So our player has a state machine for its animations. Down here you can see the different states, which is a controller which will play a different animation, Robot Boy Walk here for this, and it's all handled by booleans, and speed elements, which are variables that are tracking in our script, and you can see the transitions down here when we go to different things. So lastly, I'm going to very quickly just go over what we still have to implement. So we need to purchase art assets, we need to finish the tiles and set up the level, we need to flesh out the rest of the game in terms of what we've offered in features, and we have to add a few more systems and obviously get the new art. Thanks very much. Bye.